Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed. Who is a doctor? The person who diagnoses disease and prescribe medicine is called a doctor. Identification of doctors: MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, General Physician; RMP, Registered Medical Practitioner, General Practitioner; MBBS, MD Medicine, Consultant Physician; MBBS, DCH or MD, Pediatrician; MBBS, DLO or MS, ENT, Ear, Nose, Throat Specialist; MBBS, DGO or MDMS, Gynecologist; MBBS, DOMS or MS, ophthalmologist; MBBS, DTM and H, dermatologist; MBBS, MS, MCH, FRCS is called consultant surgeons. MBBS, MD, DM, cardio or deep card, cardiologist; MBBS, MD, DM, neurologist; MBBS, MD, DM, endocrinologist; MBBS, MD, DM, oncologist; MBBS, MS, orthopedic surgeon; BDS or MDS, dental surgeon. Medical representative will not visit for prescription. Audiologist, radiologist, sonologist, pathologist, physiotherapist, ECG specialist, MRI specialist. What is disease? A disease is a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects the structure or function of all or part of human body, and that is not due to any immediate external injury. Diseases are often known to be medical conditions that are associated with specific signs and symptoms. Diseases are to be diagnosed by a doctor only. What is symptom? A physical or mental feature which is regarded as indication of disease is called as symptom. Fever is a symptom of a disease. Who is a dispensing doctor? A dispensing doctor gives medicine to a patient along with a prescription. In medical representative profession, these doctors are known as consuming doctors. Who is a prescriber? The doctor who prescribes medicine to a patient is called a prescriber. Category of doctors. Category of a doctor never depends on the degree. It always depends on the number of patients treated per day. Category A doctors, more than 50 patients per day. Category B doctors, 30 to 50 patients per day. Category C doctors, less than 30 patients per day. What is drug dosage? Dose is the appropriate amount of drug needed to produce a certain degree of response in a patient. Different types of dosage: OD, once daily; BD or BID, twice daily; TID, thrice daily; QID, 4 times a day. SOS, as and when needed; ODAC, once daily before meal; BDPC, twice daily after meal; IV, intravenous injection; IM, intramuscular injection; SC, subcutaneous injection. Route of administration. There are 3 routes of administration of medicine. Oral route, medicine taken through mouth by swallowing or chewing, tablet and capsule. Topical route, medicine applied on skin surface, powder, ointment, lotion, drop and spray. Parenteral route, medicine injected through needle in veins, muscles or subcutaneous layer. What is pH? pH is a measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution and therefore its acidity or alkalinity. pH 7 indicates neutral solution, that is pure water. If it is less than, then it will be acidic, and more will be alkaline pH. What is osmosis? The passage of a solvent from a less concentrated solution to a more concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. This tends to equalize the concentration of two solutions. In living organisms, the solvent is water and cell membranes works as semi-permeable membranes. The process of osmosis plays an important role in controlling the distribution of water within the body. What is antibody? Antibody is a special kind of blood protein. This is synthesized in lymphoid tissue in response to the presence of a particular antigen. It circulates in plasma to attack the antigen and render it harmless. What is antigen? Any substance which is identified by the body as foreign substance or potentially harmful is known as antigen. In response to the presence of antigen, a human body produces antibody to neutralize that. Antigens are usually proteins, but simple substances, even metals, may become antigenic. They combine and modify human body's own proteins. They are called haptens. Thank you for watching Career Guarantee. Please subscribe our channel Career Guarantee and hit the bell icon. Thank